Good morning, dear students. Hope everyone are fine. Now, in last class we have discussed about refraction. Yes or no? Yes. What do you mean by refraction? Nothing but the phenomena, the process of changing speed at interface when the light travels from one medium to another medium is called as a what? Refraction. Okay, means here in the process of refraction, bending undergoes. So in this class we learn how the bending undergoes and how the reflector rays is towards the normal or away from the normal, and we'll be learning about the reflective index. Okay, let us move into the class. Can you observe this diagram? By seeing the diagram, what you're thinking? Nothing but here the ray which is from an instant moving, and this interface of two mediums, this is radial medium and this is tensor medium. When it is moving, what happens? It bends and it moves, yes or no, in the other medium. Okay, before this one, remember that the medium which is in the air is always called as radial medium. The medium which is in the water or liquid or a gas or a glass medium, water medium or a wood medium, all these are called as a denser medium. Okay, before that, we'll be determining the instant medium as V1 and the another medium as V2. Here V is nothing but like a velocity, means light is traveling. So V1 as a velocity. So here, dear children, 2 points you have to remember. Point 1 is like this: if V2 is less than V1, then medium 2 is said to be less denser with respect to medium 1. Means here V2 is less than V1. Okay, then the medium 2, denser medium, this one, what happens? Medium 2 is said to be what? This is denser medium. Okay, and next one, if V2 is greater than V1, okay, then the medium 2, means V2 is greater than V1, then this is medium 2 here. It is said to be rarer medium. It is said to be rarer medium. Okay, now let us see the diagrams. If the instant ray is passing from rarer medium to denser medium, always remember that, okay, this is a refracted ray. It will be moving always towards a normal. Okay, if the ray is passing from denser medium to rarer medium, the reflected ray will be moving away from the normal. These 2 points you have to remember, and you have to draw these diagrams. Means if the ray is passing from rarer medium to denser medium, okay, the reflected ray will be towards the normal. If the instant ray is passing from denser medium to rarer medium, the reflected ray will be away from the normal. Okay, so in the refraction of light in class 9, you have learned about phenomena and the introduction of the reflection. Okay, what is the instant ray, reflected ray? So let us see here, a small medium is given, rarer medium, denser medium. How will be drawn the rays here? Let us consider this is a rarer medium, this is a denser medium. Okay, the ray which is from the source is called as an instant ray, when it will be touching the interface and bending and moving to the other medium. This is refracted ray. So the angle between the normal and the instant is called angle of incidence. The angle between the normal and the reflected ray is called as a what? Refracted angle of refraction. So here what you have to learn is based upon the process of the refraction. Okay, means it is moving from one medium to another medium. What happens? They will be changing of a refractive index. Okay, means what do you mean by refractive index? Means if a instant ray is passing to a reflected ray. Okay, instant ray is passing to a refracted ray, what happens is, okay, they will be changing in a speed of a light. So in order to know the speed of the light in the two mediums, we will be using the concept of a refractive index. Let us see the refractive index. The refractive index is that before the reflective index. Okay, let us learn about the speed of the light in vacuum. You know what is vacuum? Vacuum is no medium is there. The light speed of the light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power meters per seconds. Okay. And we'll be denoting with a small letter C. Denote with a small letter C. Okay. And let V be the speed of the light in any medium, whether in the air medium or the water medium or the rock medium, wood medium, or whatever it may be, gold, kerosene, whatever medium it be. Okay, so what is the reflective index is nothing but speed of the light in vacuum by speed of the light in any medium. So we can also call reflective index as absolute reflective index. It is denoted with an N. N is equal to C by V. N is equal to C by V. Okay, and so the dimensionless process means nothing but correctly we cannot say. By using numerical property only we can say particular reflective index when we are taking 2 points. Here the example is given about the speed of the light in the medium. Means here the reflective index determines okay, the object whether it is the light rays is lower or it is in the high. Okay, so in our nature we are having different types of the substance. Are all the substance having same medium? No, is it or not? They are having the different mediums. An example is given here. Let us see the example. So for example, reflective index of a glass is 3 by 2. Then the speed of the light in glass is 2 by 3 of 3 into 10 power. Means the reflective index is 3 by 2. Okay. So how we will be getting? Okay. All it is given 2 by 3. Means 2 by 3 into 10 power 8. Means here 3 cancels. The remaining is 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. So this is what here. Okay, 2 into 10 power meters per second. When you observe here the table is very important for your 4 marks. You can see when you see air, rice, water, kerosene and fused quartz. Okay, different materials here. We are having different reflective index. Yes or no? Yes. So based upon, okay, it does not depend upon the weight, means density of an object. When we see here example of an kerosene and water. So which one is more weight, more denser? Water is more denser when we compare with an kerosene. But which one reflective index is more? Kerosene. Means it does not depend upon the density of an object. The reflective index may be depending upon what? Nothing but the rays which are passing. Okay. So here the reflective index of the any substance or the materials depends upon the 2 factors. What are the 2 factors? You can see is nature of the material and wavelength. Okay. Means nature of the how the material is made up of, and wavelength of light means how much speed the light is traveling that material. Okay, these are the 2 factors affecting the absolute reflective index. So absolute reflective index is denoted with the N. N is equal to C by V. C is speed of the light in vacuum and V is in a speed of light in any medium. Okay children, write the important ones and draw the diagrams. Thank you.